very lightweight as well. This bang give me trouble. Sure. It's very lightweight, which means you can pack it in your suitcase. It comes in very handy if you are doing calibration. My dad's playing music outside. Pull up a tune, Larry! Pull up a tune! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice and here with Patrice Living. Today I'm doing a part 2 of the unboxing and setting up of my ring light that I've purchased from Amazon. The link will be in the description for that video if you haven't checked it out as yet. Before we head into this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos in the future and exciting content. In my next video, I will be reviewing 2 mini tripods, so stay tuned for that.
Okay, so let's get this show on the road.
If you haven't, check out the previous video, then you'll see how I set it up, how I screw this in, how I put everything together. But what this video is about is to show you how you can use the desktop ring light. So this is the tripod for it, and you're just going to screw it on. And that's it. Also, I will be also showing you there is another, the 360 ball head. You can also put it on the tripod and then put the ring light on top of it if you want to navigate it and put it around. But I will show you that as well. What are you gonna do like that? So it's a very versatile ring light. Another benefit when investing in this 2-in-1 desk ring light is that it's very lightweight, which means you can pack it in your suitcase. It comes in very handy if you are doing collaborations with other YouTubers. You can just pull it down, put it in your suitcase, and you don't need the stand tripod. So this is a very versatile ring light. So let's check out the other lighting on it. That's the warm light. That's the blue light. And that's the white light. So yeah. And if you can see the remote, this one is to change the lights. The top one with the plus sign is to turn it up, and the bottom one with the minus sign is to turn it down. So this is it without no lighting at all. So I want to see how bright it really is. So yeah, so this is perfect for filming your videos during the night. So as I said before, this is the remote that it came with, and the battery came with one of that. The on and off button, this is it. So now I'm going to try and set up the Bluetooth, the remote, and using the Bluetooth. So let's do that. Turning this on. Came up as AB shutter. Okay, so I'm going to my camera. Okay, let me press this one. Ooh, so yes, it is working. So I'm gonna press this again. So my phone is on a timer, so it's counting down. So yeah, so I can see that it works. So the remote is good for when you are recording videos alone and want to take pictures and stuff like that. Yep, it does work. So that's it for this video. If you've reached this far throughout this video, thank you for watching. In my next video, I will be doing an unboxing of these two tripods and let you know what I think of them. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, and this other mini tripod. So I did an unboxing and a final review / reaction of this. So if you're someone who have to FaceTime, because it comes with this, carry around the house. I bought this for the beach anyways. So don't forget to like, subscribe, Patrice Living. Bye.